Paint protection film, or PPF, is the ultimate solution to safeguard a vehicle's paint from scratches, chips, and daily wear. In this guide, we'll walk you through a professional installation process to achieve a flawless finish. A well-prepared surface ensures perfect PPF adhesion. Let's start with the key preparation steps. Start by washing the vehicle using car shampoo and microfiber mitt to remove dirt, grime, and any previous coatings. Rinse thoroughly. Ensure the vehicle is completely dry before moving to the next step. Ensure no water is left in crevices. Use a microfiber towel or air blower. Once the car is fully dry, remove tar, sap, and industrial fallout with a clay bar. Clay bar treatment helps remove stubborn contaminants, ensuring a smooth surface. If scratches or swirl marks are present, use a dual-action polisher with a fine polish to ensure a smooth finish. Finally, finish with a wipe-down using an isopropyl alcohol solution to remove any remaining residues. Now, the surface is ready for PPF installation. Now that the surface is ready, let's move on to cutting and aligning the film. First things first, measure the panel and cut the film with extra inches for proper fitting and trimming. Now that the surface is ready, let's move on to cutting and aligning the film. First things first, measure the panel and cut the film with extra inches for proper fitting and trimming. Once gently apply heat to allow the film to conform to the surface and self-heal minor imperfections. Now the final step. Gently apply heat to allow the film to conform to the surface and self-heal minor imperfections. For curved areas, apply in smaller sections and use heat to ensure a seamless fit. Match the edges perfectly for a seamless, professional look. Here's a pro tip. If you encounter stubborn wrinkles or bubbles when applying the film, use a heat gun or blow dryer set to low heat to gently warm the area. This will make it easier for the film to conform to the curves and contours of your vehicle. Carefully trim any excess film using an X-Acto knife or precision cutting tool. Take your time with this step to ensure clean and precise edges. Repeat this process for each section of your vehicle that requires PPF protection, matching up the edges and seams for a seamless appearance. Introducing Vunix Paint Protection Films. Vunix films by Onyx Coating are designed for superior protection, featuring stain-resistant technology and enhanced UV blocking properties. Why choose Onyx Coating's Vunix PPF? Because when it comes to paint protection, we set the standard. Transform your skills, grow your business, and delight your customers with the unmatched quality of Vunix Paint Protection Films.
Visit www.onyxcoating.com for more details.